This is the last video of exercise from this book of ICSE 2021 syllabus. So in this video we're talking about starting from question number 20 to 24. All are about string palindromes. So the first question is you have to print write to accept a word, say BLUEJ, and display the pattern looks like this. Okay, then first you have to accept a string, looks like string word length ch, accept a string, enter a word. Okay, then what equal this dot next, find the length. Now what we have to do, first think about the pattern looks like this, that is index, that is the characters. Now see, there are BLUE wait the question is this one and this one. Okay, now see BLUEJ, that means 0 1 2 3 4, first line, second line 0 1 2 3, 0 1 2 0 1 and 0. So here basically I calculate with these numbers, and whenever I got this number I will print the numbers as its index value of the string. I think the line is little more complex, so let's find out here. First, if I want to print this pattern, first I have to print 0 1 2 4. So just see, starting of each line is fixed, that is 0. Okay, so inner loop j loop prints the line values and I loop count the number of lines. So I count there are 5 lines, so calculation of I letter. So first I have to print starts with 0 ended at 4, starts with 0 ended at 3, starts with 0 ended at 2, starts with 0 ended at 1. So each of line starting value is 0 is fixed, so the 0 is put in the initialization area, and see the border area of each line is updated. So you can take the value as an value of I. So here I use j equals I. So if the j equals I, so obviously j I value will be 4. So what will be the length of the word? That is 5. So I write length minus 1, that is 4. So condition is 4 greater than equals 0. So 4 greater than 0 is obviously 5 times loop. That means I equals 4, 4 greater than 0, I minus minus, j equals 0, j less than I, j plus plus. I store j, first time I got 0, j value is 0, then ch is b. Next time the value of j is 1, the ch character is L and print. Next time character index is 2, j character is u, print. Next time value of j is 3, ch stores e and print. Next time j value is 4, the character is j, store into ch and print. So when the BLUEJ is printed, that is BLUEJ print, then the j loop terminate and use a println statement, and the process again goes on. So let's check what will be the final output. So if I enter BLUEJ, it will look it will look like this. So that will be the output. So this time I print my name, SOURAV. So pattern will looks like this. Very soon I upload few videos on patterns, but not right now because it's busy with my schedule is little bit busy. So as soon I make a few possible videos, I will sure upload it. Now the next question, that is JEEULB. In that case it looks like this pattern. That means first 4, that is j 1 times 4, e 2 times 3, u 3 times 222, l index 1 4 times 0, 5 zeros are there. Okay, so first I try to print this one, and then I add string character extraction, and the answer will be ready. So the code is this one. In that case, whenever you get fixed values in a line, put the first line value as I initialization and put the last line value as I condition. That means here I equals len minus 1, that is 4 greater than equals 0, and I minus minus. So the part is fixed. Now j equals len minus 1 means j equals 4, and 4 greater than equals 4. So 4 greater than 4 obviously goes for one time ch dot caret I. That means 4 index will give me j, and j print for one time. Next time I value is 3, j equals 4, 4 greater than equals 3, yes, ch get e, and again c print with space, and again it will give me e. So 2 times e will be printed. The code will be BLUEJ. That means that one. 20 AB. The next question is BLUEJ print like this. If we accept the word as BLUEJ, then the code is this one. Same, here I equals 0, I less than len, I plus plus, and the workings looks like this. That means BLUEJ, LUEJ, UEJ, EJ and J. So here I equals 0, I less than len, J equals I, J less than len. Why? Because first, whenever you got update values in a line, first calculate the J loop first. So just watch, each of every line starting is not fixed but ending is fixed. So ending is 4, and the last value of length is, I think the length is 5, so I write j less than len, so the last value of j is 4. Okay, then what is the starting of j? J equals I, that is update 0 1 2 3 4. So that is the initialization, that is first line, j I equals 0, and the last line I is 4. That's why I write I less than len. Now each of the j position stored into ch, and I print ch with print statement. Whenever the j loop print all the characters in a line, for loop terminates, and println statement move the cursor from that location to that location. Again I increase, and j loop print all the numbers, but here all the numbers stored into ch as a character format because I word dot caret I. So if the j value is 1, then the 1 index character is L. So L is stored into ch, and print L instead of 1. So check what will the output. So that is BLUEJ. Now the next question, A B C D E B C D E C D E, that is same as this one, but I think here I use a little bit different. No, same thing. A B C D E, same thing. J equals I, j less than, extract each characters, j store into ch and print the ch and print ln. That will give you the same answer. In that part you don't have to. And just see one more thing, here I don't use import statement, don't use scanner, don't use user question and storage, because in that part just see the question. The question is this one, write a program to display the following display the pattern. So pattern is looks like this. In case whenever you write a program of pattern, most of the time you don't need to take any input from user, but in that section there is a accept a word, but in that case you don't need to accept anything from user. That's why I skip import statement, scanner and user input question and storage. I store ABCDs in a word variable. Now use the word variable, extract ch, print ln, we got the final output. The next question is A B C D E F G. It looks like a flat triangle. In that case code little bit different. So the code is, I use point equals 65. Okay, whenever the loop enters into j area, I convert ch, that is 65, to a character value and print it, and the point that is 65, after calculation it will be increased by 1. Means when A is printed, the next character is B. When B is printed, next character is C. So in that case I use I equals the question, this one. So in that case see 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5. You can see this pattern, like I think you can see this pattern already. 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5. I use this calculation pattern for this for loop. See, starting of each line is fixed, that is 1, so I put 1 as j initialization. Ending is an updated value, so I put I. So obviously this will be the ending. So starting of I is 1, ending at 5 and I plus plus, and point value is starting value is 65. I write 65 here and convert it into ch, so 65 becomes capital A and print. And after storing ch as 65 into character format, I use print point plus plus. So next time it will be give me 66, then 67, then 68. So the output is this one, easy one. Now the last question of 21B, ABCDE ABCD. Now here you have to think the pattern looks like A B C D then A. Now I think the question is A then B then C then A, sorry, and the next part is A B, next time A then B A B C A B C D. Now see these two pattern. So in that pattern, in that question you see the two pattern is added with and print the following output, means the A starting of A. Okay, but I think it looks like this one, so it will be better for you to understand. Now just add join this force, means if I delete this spaces, the part will be, the answer will be same. So you have to calculate properly. So in that case what I did, that is 0 1 2 3 0, again 0 1 2 0 1 0 1 0 1 2 0 0 1 2 3. So same thing, separate, sorry, I think, oh sorry, this one is E. I think I make a huge mistake, forgot the lines. C, A B C, A B C is here, then A B, A, so just separate these things, and in that case I write 4 3 0, just write 2 0 1 and 0 0 1 2 3. Now see these two are little bit same. If I accept a string like ABCD, then the index is 0 1 2 3 4, next time 0 1 2 3, that is 0, next time 0 1 2 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 2, same as like this. Now this is 1 0 and this one 0 1 2, like this 0 1 2 3. So I use this concept, hope so. 21C, yeah, I use ABCD. So I took the code beside. Now first I calculate this for loop, 0 1 2 3 4 0 1 2 3 0 1 2 0 1 and 0. So this part is basically calculated with J loop, and starting of 0, this part, the right triangle, the right area triangle is calculated with the value of K loop. This one J, this one K, and total calculated inside of I loop. So first I set the value of J, that means each of starting line of is starting of each line value is 0, so I put 0. Okay, ending is updated, line ending, that is 4 3 2 1 0, that means that is starting, that is the value of K I loop. But here I use a different technique. In that case, uh, in that case, first I calculate this part, that is the k, 0 0 1 0 1 2 0 1 2 3. So starting of k, each and every line is 0, okay, and ending at first time, in that case no, in that case one time, in that case two time. So I put at 0 here. So first time I is 0, so 0 less than 0 true, no, so k loop not executed for the first line, that in that case. But second line, 0 0 less than 1 true, so 0 is printed with character converted and the value will be a is printed. And with the help of I equals 0, I less than len, and in that section j equals j less than len minus 1 minus I. Len minus 1 will be 5 minus I will be the first time it will minus 0, next time minus 1, next time minus 2. So run the program, the pattern is looks like this. The next question, using switch case. This is the model question. Add a program to generate a triangle or an inverted triangle in n terms based on the user choice. Here you can see based on user choice, so obviously you have to you need an import statement, you need a scanner, you have to ask a question. And switch case rules, first you have to type few things. First pattern will look like this and second pattern look like this. So the code is that one. Scanner, in term menu, type 1 for triangle as told in the question, as said in the question. Type 1 for triangle, type 2 for an inverted triangle. So type 2 for an inverted triangle, enter your choice, menu equals s dot next int, enter the number of terms. If I want to see 5 lines, then I use 5, but actually I don't use a term here. Term okay. So case 1, basically what did the case 1 is the star pattern actually. So in that case, you see first line have 5 star, second line has a space and 4 star, third line has 2 space and 3 star, fourth line have 3 space and 2 star, fifth line has 4 space 1 star. That means I have to use j loop to print the spaces and k loop for the star, and every time we print a star and a space, that's why we use here 2 spaces in that section, 1 space 2 space. So first I draw this one. So k equals 1, 1 less than equals term. If the I is 5, then it will looks like I less than equals 5. So 5 star print. In the next line, j loop executed, j equals 5, j equals 4, 4 less than term. So term will be 5, 4 less than term means it will be true for one time, and it will print 2 dashes, 2 spaces. And next k equals 1, k less than equals 4, that means 4 star will print using that part. This one you already see this pattern. but here I use a different topic. That is, here I equals term. If I equals suppose 5, okay, then j equals 1, j less than equals I. That means j loop goes for the 5 times and j value is 1 2 3 4 5. So I use 1 plus 64, that is 65. 65 is the ASCII value of capital A. Now I am 65 convert into character and print as A. Next time j value is 2, so j plus 2 66 character into char, that converted into char, the value is B, B is printed. Next time j equals 3, 3 plus 64 67 converted to char and print C. Next D and E also. So now next time I value minus minus, so next time I value is 4. So fourth line j equals 1, j less than equals 4, j go for the 4 times and print ABCD. Next time I equals 3 and j loop goes j equals 1, 1 less than equals 2, j loop goes for 3 times. Next I equals 2, j equals 1, j less than equals 2, so j loop goes for 2 times AB. Finally I equals 1, 1 less than equals 1 for 1 times, A is print for 1 time. So now check the two answers will come out or not. So first print the triangle, enter number of terms. I use 7, so the 7 star. Okay, now same question again with second option, that is inverted triangle, number of terms 7, so this will be the pattern. Okay, so the program is working properly. Move to the next question. The next question is question number 23, 22, so this is the question number 23. In that case same thing, type 1 for triangle, type 2 for inverted triangle. You have to enter a word and word print like this for left one for the inverted triangle and right one for the inverted triangle. In that case you have to accept a word first. So the code is this one. The same case, in that case extra thing, that is string a word. In that case enter a word, what equals sc dot next, then equals what dot end, case 1 for I equals 0, I less than len, j equals 0, j less than equals I, and I use what dot caret I. So what will be the explanation, that is first time I said every time if you have to print fixed value in a line, use the first letter value into the I and the last letter value into the j. So first line value is B, that is the ASCII value of 0, and last line is length minus 1, that is 4. That's why I write I equals 0, I less than len, j equals 0, j less than equals I, and the pattern match with the rules. In the second case, and the second question, that is you already know 0 1 2 3 4 0 1 2 3 0 1 2 0 1 0. Same code is printed here. Check with and run. Now just I compile two things. Question number 23. First I have to delete these things. Question number 23. So the one for the triangle, the word is BLUEJ. Okay. And 2 BLUEJ. Now I think how I call 2 times output, how I get 2 times, because you see first time I run and no terminal window open, and when I click on second time void main, this time the window opens for 2 times at a time, 2 times. So the first time I use 1, second time is for the correction I use again. Okay, here I choose 1, BLUEJ. Okay, 1 time. If I enter 2, BLUEJ, same. And if I enter another something issue, then the word is BLUEJ. Enter your input correctly. Okay, so the last question for this video, using a switch statement, print the following, use the following float triangle. I already use it as question 21b, same pattern, and this is the same as 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. So just go for the code. I think I missed 23 full code. Now check the 23 question number 23 full code, make a copy, pause the screen and make a copy, and this is the complete code. Now the question number 24, type 1 for the print float triangle, type 2 for print ICSE pattern. Enter your choice, menu stores the choice, then pass the menu, then case 1, there I use point plus plus, here I use K. Now K plus plus will print the float triangle value, and here I use ICSE as a word, no need to store the word from the user, and the program looks like this and default for the final one. So first check the output, then I see the full code. Float triangle working properly. To ICSE pattern, and if user enters a different value, enter the input correctly. Now watch the full code. So that is the end of the exercise as per ICSE pattern 2021. Good luck. If you have any query, then message, mail, comment, I will give answers. So goodbye for this video. Ta-da.